So when I face the darkness, when I need to find my way, I'll trust in you, shepherd of my heart. Keeper of this heart of mine, your patience has no end. You love me back into your arms, time and time again. So if I start to wander like a lamb that's gone astray, I'll trust in you, shepherd of my heart. You're the beacon of my night, you're the sunlight of my day. I can rest within your arms, I can know your loving ways. So let the cold winds blow, let the storms rage all around. I'll try